Okay guys, so as you can see, hello, I am at CVS and we're getting ready to head in to do some deals. Well, as you can see, we're already in the store. We're getting ready to do a couple deals. In this video, I wanted to do two different transactions that are to spend $40, get $10 back. And the reason being is because there's so much included in that deal. I know that people are like, well, what do I get? There's buy one, get one half off deals and deals that we usually don't get. So I'm going to do two different scenarios. I'm going to do like a bath scenario, and then I'm going to do a household scenario. So then maybe that'll help you guys decide which way you want to go this week. But if you haven't subscribed to my video, go ahead and do so. Hit the bell next to it so that you can get notified every time I put up a new video. And I'm going to do the video in the front of the store because the music is blaring in here and I don't want to get my video dinged. And I'm not showing my face because I'm hot and sweaty because it is burning up in this store. So guys, get your coupons out. Make sure you have your Ibotta app downloaded, and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so the first deal we're going to do is again going to be a spend $40, get $10 back in ExtraBucks. And as you can see, I have all Dove products here. So a part of that deal is select Dove products, and they are buy one, get one half off. So each one of these Dove products that I have pictured here are $10.79. Now, they may be different at your store, so just make sure you check the price at your store and adjust the math, because I think someone said at their store they're like $11.29. Then someone else said that they're $10.99 at that store. So I do know that every store is different, so you'll just have to adjust your math accordingly. But at my store, they're $10.79, and they're buy one, get one half off. And then when you get $40 worth, then you're going to get a $10 ExtraBuck. So I grabbed all of these to get me up to at least $40. And actually I wanted to get to $45 because I have two CRTs. I have a $4 off $20 worth of Dove body wash CRT. And then I have a $5 off any body wash CRT. So I want to stack those. So in order for me to stack those, I have to get to $45 to get the $9 off. And that's going to bring my out-of-pocket down really low. So we're going to pay for 3 of these are going to be full price, and 3 are going to be half price. So 3 of them are going to be $5.40. And then $4.40 each, and then 3 are going to be $10.79 each. And when you add that up, that brings you to $48.55. So I am definitely at my $45 spend threshold, so that I can use the 4 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. Okay, so that's going to give me $9 off of this. And then remember, I'm going to get a $10 ExtraBuck back for this. But I do have some coupons that we're going to use. So first, we're going to use this coupon. Excuse me, my printer was running out of ink. I just made it to print these 3 off. So you see, and I just printed it off today off of inboxdollars.com. If you are not printing coupons off at inbox.com to get paid to print them and use them, you want to do so. I'll put my link down in the description box and in the comments so that you can sign up and start getting paid to print your coupons and to use them. So it is available today, and it's also on coupons.com. So I know you're looking at this and you're like, well, that's not the product. Well, it does work on these and these. Now, it only works on certain scents. I know it works on the blue, I know it works on the purple, and I know it works on the green. I just got all blue because I wanted to pair them up, because I'm going to put these in some graduation baskets. So I wanted to have the same of everything. So I'm going to use 3 of these, and I'm going to use that for these. Okay, so that's $15 off. And then I'm going to use 3 of these, which were in your Super Saver. And yes, they expired on the 14th, but we can still use them because we're in the 14-day window, and I'm going to use those on there. So I'm going to use 3 of those. So this is going to be 15 off, and then 3 of these is going to be $9 off, plus the $9 in CRTs, plus the $10 we're going to get back in ExtraBucks. And then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta. And excuse me, not Ibotta, the rebates expire for Ibotta, scratch that. I'm going to submit my receipt to Fetch, and I'm going to get some more points back from Fetch. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our out-of-pocket is. Okay guys, that came out just like I expected. Everything went through smooth. So there you see all of our Dove products, 3 for $10.79, and then 3 at 50% off at $5.40. Here are my manufacturer coupons. I had 3 $3 and 3 $5. And then you see the $5 off 20 Dove body wash came off, and the $4 off 25 personal cleaners, which were body washes, came off. So then my total was $15.54 out of pocket, which I paid for with the gift card. Then I got back $10 in ExtraBucks. So I submitted my receipt back to Fetch, and I got like 15 cents back, but it all adds up. So that means for all 6 of those Dove products, it just cost me $5.54. Guys, that's an excellent deal. So if you have these CRTs or any body wash CRTs or Dove CRTs that you have to lower your out-of-pocket, use those. If you have a coupon that is purchase based, spend 30, get 6 off, use that. Combine as many CRTs as you can so that your out of pocket is much lower. Okay guys, so our second spend 40 get transaction is going to look like this. So you're going to grab one of those Charmins. They're on sale for $14.99. And you're going to grab 1 Tide Pods and 1 liquid. Or you can grab 2 Tide Pods, 2 liquids, however you want to do it. But I grabbed the Charmin because I have a $3 off any Charmin 6 rolls or more CRT. And then I'm going to use the $1 digital coupon in our app, or you can use the $1 paper coupon out of your P&G. Then I grabbed the Downy Tide Pods. Those are on sale for $12.99. I'm going to use the $3 paper coupon for that. And then I have the Downy liquid that is 92 ounce, and that is on sale for $12.99 also. And I'm going to use a $3 paper coupon out of the P&G for that. Then I have a $4 off 40 CRT that I'm going to use. So let's go up to the register. Let's see what our out of pocket is and know that we're getting $10 back in extra. Okay guys, everything worked out fine. There's our Tide, our other Tide, and our Charmin. I used the $3 off coupon for the pods. I used the $3 digital coupon for the liquid. There's my $1 digital coupon for the Charmin. My $4 off 40 next purchase CRT, the $3 off any Charmin CRT, and then I used a $10 ExtraBuck to bring my total out of pocket down. So I paid $16.97 with my PayPal card, and I got back a $10 ExtraBuck. So actually, like I said, this came to $16.97 out of pocket, which is pretty good, because if you divide that by the 3 products we got, it was like $5 and some for those 3 products, and that's excellent considering the Charmin was regularly $18.99 on sale for $14.99. Okay guys, so this is our haul for today. I just wanted to give you 2 examples of what you could do for the spend 40 get back 10 and use your CRTs by stacking them, and your paper coupons as well as your digital coupons. So just look through everything that you have and put your scenarios together and make sure that you adjust your math according to the prices in your store. So I'll come back with you guys tomorrow with some other videos of the smaller deals that are going on in the store, as well as some other CRT deals. So don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what deals you're doing. Maybe you did these a little differently. I'd like to see what you guys' scenarios are. And until the next time, keep on saving.